The two-year Instrumentation, Automation, and Robotics Technology program at Perry Tech prepares students for entry-level careers in a hands-on profession where you may build on your intellectual knowledge and apply it to real-world problems. Graduates of the Instrumentation, Automation, and Robotics Technology program find career opportunities in fields such as aerospace, agriculture, energy, manufacturing, mining and refining, pharmaceuticals, semiconductor technology, and more. From retrofitting and maintaining industrial equipment to installing and upgrading control systems, your skills and knowledge may help define your role within an organization, as there is an array of avenues for the field you wish to pursue. The two-year program curriculum covers mathematics for electronics, electricity, solid state, digital devices, applied physics, and calculus. Programmable logic controllers, transmitters, transducers, recorders, and controllers are used to simulate control techniques. Students study how to monitor, install, troubleshoot, repair, and calibrate process controls for temperature, level, flow, and pressure. Perry Tech works with industry professionals to develop our program curriculum to help ensure that you receive industry-focused skills. We treat every day as if it were the world of work. Each student clocks in and out daily and must adhere to a strict no drug or alcohol policy. To prepare you for life after graduation, our career services staff can help you develop materials such as resumes and cover letters, and will assist with mock interviews. Take a more in-depth look at the two-year Instrumentation, Automation, and Robotics Technology program by visiting perrytech.edu/tour to schedule a program tour today.